My dear learners, you are welcome. I hope you are well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. I am Mohammad Mukhtar, Assistant Teacher English, Islamia High School, Tipamadupur, Kamnia, Rangpur. My class identity, Class 10, Subject English First Paper, Unit 7, Lesson 6. Look at the picture. What can you see here? In the picture, you can see Mother Teresa and some children. What does the picture show? The picture shows Mother Teresa's love for humanity. Dear learners, our today's topic is love for humanity. Learning outcomes. After studying this lesson and after watching this video, you will be able to ask and answer questions. You will be able to write true or false statement. You will be able to read and understand text through silent reading. My dear learners, look at the blackboard. Look at the white screen, projector screen. You can see Mother Teresa and some other children. I think these children are rootless because there is none to look after them, to take care of them. But Mother Teresa had shown motherly love and affection to them. My dear learners, now I am presenting some vocabulary. Commitment, promise to do something. Mother Teresa's commitment was very nice, very suitable for the mankind. Compassion. Compassion means sympathy. Mother Teresa had a great compassion for the mankind. Next word, recognize, means acknowledge. Mother Teresa's humanitarian activities were recognized by the people of the world. Next word, salute, give formal sign of respect. That means in this way we salute. The people of the world saluted Mother Teresa. Saintly, like a saint. Mother Teresa had saintly smile. Dear learners, now I am going through the text, main text. You will notice my correct pronunciation carefully. Mother Teresa was moved by the sight of the sick and dying on the streets of Kolkata. She founded a home for the dying destitute and named it Nirmal Hriday, meaning pure heart. Dear learners, Mother Teresa founded Nirmal Hriday in 1952. It was established for sick and dying destitute. Dear learners, again look at the pictures. she and her fellow nuns gathered the dying people of the streets of Kolkata and brought them to this home. They were lovingly looked after and cared for. Now I am explaining it. Mother Teresa and her fellow nuns gathered the dying people of the streets of Kolkata. They brought them in the Nirmal Hridoy and they took care of them carefully. They looked after them carefully. They nursed them carefully. That means they nursed for the humanity. Since then, men, women, and children have been taken from the streets and carried to Nirmal Hridoy. These unloved and uncared for people get an opportunity to die in an environment of kindness and love. In their last hours, they get human and divine love and can feel they are also children of God. Those who survive the missionaries of charity try to find jobs for them or send them to homes where they can live happily for some more years in a caring environment. The people who were taken to this Nirmal Hridoy, of them who were survived, the missionaries of charity try to find suitable job for them and send them to homes where they can live happily. Regarding commitment to family, Mother Teresa said, maybe in our own family we have somebody who is feeling lonely, who is feeling sick, who is feeling worried. Are we there? Are we willing to give until it hurts in order to be with our families? Or do we put our interest first? We must remember that love begins at home, and we must also remember that future of humanity passes through the family. We should remember two things. First, love begins at home, and future of humanity passes through the family. Let's have a look at the golden achievements of Mother Teresa. Now I am going to show you Mother Teresa's achievement. Mother Teresa's work has been recognized throughout the world and she has received a number of awards. In 1971, Pope John XXIII Peace Prize awarded by Pope Paul VI. In 1972, Mother Teresa awarded Nehru Prize for promotion of international peace and understanding. In 1978, Mother Teresa won the Bolzan Prize. It was a suitable prize. In 1979, Mother Teresa won the Nobel Peace Prize. In 1980, Mother Teresa was awarded the Bharat Ratna. The Bharat Ratna. Let's seize Mother Teresa's facial appearance. She had draped in a white and blue bordered sari. That means Mother Teresa wore a white sari and it was blue bordered. She had ever soft eyes. Mother Teresa had ever soft eyes. Mother Teresa had saintly smile. She had a wrinkled face. That means wrinkled face means in this face which is called wrinkled. This holy soul breathed her last on 5 September 1997 at the age of 87. That means Mother Teresa died on 5 September 1997 and then she was 87 years old. Notice whether the following statements are true or false. Mother Teresa was moved to see the diseases that spread in the streets of Kolkata. Mother Teresa was moved by the sight of the sick and destitute on the streets of Kolkata. Number 2, she opened a home for the orphans. The statement is false. The correct information: she opened a home for the destitute. Number 3, she and her group brought in the dying people from the streets of Kolkata. The statement is true. Nirmal Hriday was founded so that the poor people who are dying can get love and care before their death, before they die. The statement is true. Mother Teresa said that humanity passes through charitable organizations. This statement is wrong. The correct answer is humanity. Mother Teresa said that humanity passes through family. Number 6, we have learned how to come forward to help only those who belong to a special caste. The statement is wrong. We have learned how to come forward to help all, irrespective of creed, caste, and religion. Dear learners, you have to answer the following questions. Why do you think Mother Teresa owns so many awards? I think Mother Teresa owns so many awards because her humanitarian activities were recognized by the people of the world. What does Nirmal Hriday stand for? Nirmal Hriday stands for pure heart. 3. Why do you think the home is named Nirmal Hriday? I think the home is named Nirmal Hriday because it was open to all and it attracted the heart of the people of the world. Why did Mother Teresa want the dying people to feel that they deserve care and love too? Mother Teresa wanted the dying people to feel that they deserve care and love because they are the children of God, and so they can die on the street, they can live on the streets of Kolkata. What are the things that we have learned from Mother Teresa. The things we have learned from Mother Teresa are that she suggested us to show our love and affection to all, irrespective of creed, caste, and religion. She suggests us to show our affection and love to all people, especially for the destitute. Finishing my class, I give you a home task. You will write a paragraph on the achievements and contribution of Mother Teresa. My dear learners, thank you all. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.